I got a clip. Let's open it and see what comes with it. Okay, so it's just it's a pocket clip for Surge, Wave, and Charge. All right, there you go. So this, and then we got this. There you go. So I don't believe I need a lanyard ring. Like some people might need it, love it, like it. Oops. Yeah. So I don't need this, right? But I do need this. So one of the biggest reason I got this multi-tool, but and not the other one, because I really wanted a pocket clip, and I honestly like weightless. So I'm gonna see how this fits in. Open this. That's it. Oh, that's it. That was easy. That is honestly not that hard. Yeah, it is easy. Yeah. So there you go. That's how you put a clip on a Leatherman Wave. That's all for now. Take care. Be safe out there. Thanks.